Get ready because this strategy is going to make a lot of people millionaires. But I don't see many people taking advantage of it. It's like everyone is too busy with social media marketing or trying to get new clients. But let me tell you, there is a bigger opportunity out there that people are not paying attention to. Trust me, it's a complete game changer. Think about it, social media is not new anymore. People know how Facebook and Instagram ads can help their business, and they understand the importance of having a well-managed social media account. And those who have the money and see the value are already hiring someone to handle it. So if you are starting your own social media marketing agency today, breaking into this crowded field can be difficult. I'll make a whole new video about it. But don't worry, there is more to this story today. You might be wondering, what do I do when the companies I want to work with already have their finances and leads sorted out? Well, here is the surprising part. The answer is right in front of us every day. Every time we watch YouTube, scroll through Twitter, or read the news online, it's there. It's artificial intelligence. And AI is not just the future, it's happening right now and it's everywhere. I know what you are thinking, oh, AI again. Let me guess, something like ChatGPT, right? Not really. The potential of AI goes beyond creating small products or making money from Amazon ebooks. I've talked about how you can use AI for different side jobs before, but I've also mentioned how it can transform an agency model. However, it seems like people are overlooking this opportunity. Are you intrigued? And you should be. To be honest, I've talked to some people who claim to be riding the AI wave, and let me tell you, it's not going so well for them. But that's actually a good news for us, because there are still plenty of opportunities waiting to be explored. It's quite amusing to me, really, because I'm fully committed to riding this wave over and over again. If you're uncertain about your current path or feeling stuck, pay attention to this. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for, whether you own an agency or simply want to earn money online. Listen closely, you don't have to be one constantly finding new clients, generating leads, or making extra sales for your clients. Your role is to help them streamline, automate, and improve their businesses to save both their money and time. It may sound complicated, but trust me, when AI comes into play, it becomes a whole new game, and it's simpler than you think. Here's the deal, you have two main options. First, you can fully commit and hire a developer to create custom AI bots that can be integrated into different businesses. This can be your unique service as a software business model, which you can then sell to these companies. You could even consider the white label approach and approach potential clients. That's one way to go. Alternatively, you can choose to be a freelancer or subcontractor, the agency model. This is especially suitable for solo entrepreneurs who run their own show. Both routes have their advantages. Picture this, you approach these businesses and say, hey, let's have an hour-long discovery call. I want to understand how your business works. Your job is to dive deep, asking them to reveal the inner workings of their business and their operations, their daily challenges, and their pain points. Remember, your goal isn't just to listen, it's to find opportunities where AI can step in and ease their burdens while enhancing their workflow. Once you have a grasp of their operations, it's game time. This is when you can introduce AI tools to assist them. For example, you can train AI bots like ChatGPT. By providing it information and instructions, you can shape it to act or speak like a specific person. Let's say you train to be an experienced accountant in the UK. Feed it a decade worth of tax regulations and voila, it's ready to handle any tax-related queries. It's a straightforward process that can yield incredible possibilities. And that is really just the beginning and one example of many. Here's the bottom line, guys. While everyone else is busy selling social media marketing packages, why not become the expert in crafting simple yet effective AI models? Now, I'm not suggesting you rush out and hire a developer. If you have the budget, go for it, why not? But why not leverage the tools that already exist? Take Zapier, for instance, which seamlessly integrates with ChatGPT. You can set up a trained ChatGPT bot on a landing page using Zapier's integration. It's super simple. What's more, it serves as a proof that AI isn't just talk, it's real, practical, and effective. Imagine creating not just one, but 10 of these AI assistants, each tailored to different business needs. Accountants, personal trainers, travel agencies, insurance companies, car dealerships. The world is your playground, and the possibilities are truly endless. However, always remember that your main goal should be to automate tasks that consume too much time or take over responsibilities which are typically handled by team members, ultimately helping businesses save time and even money. It sounds like a fantastic opportunity, doesn't it? If you can find a way to create an AI-driven business or what I've previously referred to as an AI optimization agency, you are poised for enormous success. Package that up with a proven concept and develop it into a software solution that you can sell for a substantial amount down the line. Well, you'll probably have the last laugh. I firmly believe that this is one of the biggest untapped opportunities available right now, and it's like the obvious thing that nobody's talking about. Only a handful of YouTubers are discussing it, but whenever they do, it becomes their go-to topic and they can't stop raving about it. And honestly, I understand why. After each video, you can't help but think, this is an incredible opportunity. It's time to ignore the distractions, put a pause on dropshipping, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, and even social media marketing agencies. Instead, redirect your attention towards building an AI optimization agency. Give it a try. If after 6 months you don't see the results, come back and let me know. But my intuition tells me you'll be singing a different tune. If you're ready to think strategically, put in the effort, step outside the conventional norms, and work hard to pitch your unique product to as many companies as possible, I can see why this wouldn't work. All it requires is a dash of creativity, a pinch of effort, and a whole lot of determination. So are you prepared to take the leap and make your loved ones proud? Alright guys, that's all from me today. I had to share this because I really think this is a golden opportunity that has been on my mind for weeks now. I'm already on this journey in the process of creating a tool that I plan to present to companies. Every company I speak with, it's intrigued about AI and its potential, but they simply don't know where to start. That's where you can come in. If this idea ignites a fire within you, don't just sit there. Go out there and make it happen. To ensure you are taking this seriously and to boost your affirmation, write in the comments, I'm ready to start my AI automation agency today. See you in the next one.